Looks like it's not opening fully. Pilots to navigate, engineers to operate the ship, and gunners to defend the shipments. And that is where you come in. Oh, the Millennium Falcon. Also, for some very fast and very profitable expeditions. Schumacher, my fine friend! Yes, as we agreed, you let us use the ship, we'll get you the supplies you need. It's a win-win. You help the resistance, and I get all the profits. The first one will never know we were there. Okay, time to go, so, bye. We will go for the
Alright, so I have 2 pilots, I have 2 gunners, and... Are you an engineer? What's engineers?
I'm a pilot.
Thank you. Alright, you guys are going to be assigned. You guys want orange, purple, or white? Purple. Purple. If I got a purple, head on inside.
Thank you.
Hello.
Hi.
What flight crew color today?
Purple.
Have you guys flown with us before?
Yes.
Excellent. Welcome back, professionals.
Thank you so much.
Explore, listen for that flight crew color.
Komm, setzt euch dazu.
Das erste Mal, als ich mich genau hier hingesetzt habe, ging's los.
Pilots up in front? We have pilots
From yours, gerne. Yeah, sure.
Perfect. Followed by my gunners?
Yeah.
Alright, do we all know what we're doing? Yeah.
Yes.
Yes? Alright, cool.
No engineers.
Yeah.
What are you doing?
Pilot.
Left and right or up and down?
I'm on the left side.
Yeah, you're left and right.
Yeah.
So left and right or up and down? Yeah.
Yeah, left and right.
Okay, nice. Now
We're
I'll
gonna
go
go up and down.
Yeah.
But if you pull down, the ship will go up. If you go up, the ship will go down. It's the opposite.
Okay.
No, I swear. It
Yeah,
is.
alright, okay.
It's a Falcon, so.
Ah, a brand new flight crew. Good luck to you all. You might need it. Today's flight takes you to the planet Gorelia. You will be intercepting a first-order trading shipment of coaxium. Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo. Now get a move on and know that I have complete faith in you.
Open sesame.
3,
Wrong word.
2, 1.
Oh.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Por favor, permanezca sentados.
Ey, wir haben keine Engineers.
Egal.
Warum nicht?
Alrighty. My last crew of the night. Go ahead, strap yourself and go ahead. Press that yellow, or go and tug on that yellow tag. Perfect. Go ahead, press that button. Boom, boom.
Fair enough. Time is my
Alright, flight crew, very important. This is for your safety. Under no circumstance are you able to press that button.
Automatic repair engaged.
Up to go down, down to go up.
Right pilot, push the flashing button to take off.
Los geht's.
Pilot on the left, Move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right. Pull back on the stick to fly up. And push forward to fly down.
Ali muss runter!
Chewie makes flying this thing move easy, eh? Weapons are online. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Now let's go get that coaxial. Right pilot, make the jump to light speed. There's the train. Come, up. Yes, yes, keep shooting. They've locked onto us. Take it in selection. There it is, after that train. Let's brace. Good work.
Oh, that was close, man.
Well, my friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. Now power up the ship. Well, I can go axial. You see, just as I promised, my friend. Come on, let's get another container of coaxium. Pilot, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Get behind the train. Pilots, to the center. Gunners, fire the harpoons. Gunners, shoot the train. Cargo's pretty, keep shooting.
Nach oben!
Mein Fehler,
Ali!
Ich bin Rennfahrer und kein Pilot.
Das ist kein Rennwagen!
Ich fahre ein Auto.
Ja!
Look. Ooh. Let's get out of here.
Ali, komm! Alle Spenden!
Yes, Chewie will pilot us in.
Mach das scheiß Licht aus! Du blendest! Ali!
It greatly helped the resistance. You will learn the first order and made Chewie proud. Now, after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is. Oh, that feels rough.
Ich war so scheiße. Ich hatte letztes Mal, glaube ich, 11 oder 12 zumindest.
Hotshot, ja, wenigstens das.
All right, I'm making an executive decision. Everybody out. Go on, get out.
All available
Goodbye.
text. We have a Millennium freighter that needs immediate transport back to the maintenance bay.
Wir haben ein paar Sachen kaputt gemacht, würde ich sagen.
Scrap metal.
Wir haben mal dagegen geflogen. Ich dachte wirklich, dass wenn man nichts macht, auch nichts passiert. Aber das ist dann völlig eskaliert.
Das war der lustigste Faden, die ich je hatte.
Ich kam einfach nicht mehr klar, weil ihr einfach wirklich gegen das Ding geflogen seid. Und ich dachte dann, dass dann nichts passiert. Also, dass er einfach diesen Film abspielt. Nein, aber er ist
Der war einfach ganz
Alles, ich habe nur gerüttelt.
Ich war einfach am Drücken und da ist er dagegen geflogen, einfach meine Hand komplett dagegen.
Ja, das ist halt das ganze Zeit für dich alleine hattest, war halt schon super.
Das war schon geil.
Ohne Engineers.
Ja. Deswegen seid ihr so scheiße geflogen.
Ich brauche ein Auto. Die Minuten sind er nicht mehr.
Besser so.
Im nächsten Leben.
Wir wissen es
Ich
nicht.
bin auch realistisch so Flico.
Ja, ja. Wir kratzen so am Boden und du machst nichts.
Ich muss ja meine Kamera rausholen und den Moment.
Ja, und das nur schön mit einfach Blitz. Ja.